Hey guys, Homestead Weekly. So today I'm going to start cleaning up this here barn door. Now I've had this for a while and I've been wanting to do something with it, either turn it into a table or just make it into a nicer door or something of that sort. So that's what we're going to start today. I got just a regular, I think it's 150. Yeah, 150. Just your basic drywall sanding paper just to clean it up. We're gonna do a little bit of sanding today. We're gonna do cleaning up all the spider webs and all that nasty stuff. And yeah, we'll see what we can turn this thing into. It's obviously massive. It's roughly, I don't know, it looks like it's 5 by 8. We can measure it, but you can see it's just disgusting. We're gonna get all this cleaned out today and see how far we get. Don't want to do too much sanding, but we definitely want to clean it up a bit. Hi, kiddos. Yeah, this should be an interesting project. I'm leaving the hinges on it and stuff. Yeah, this is going to be fun. So I think we'll start over here in this mess. And you can see it's just absolutely nasty. Look at that. So once we get this cleaned up, I think it's going to look great just on its own, but I have plans for it. I don't think I want to stain it. I don't think I want to mess with any of the natural color in it other than a light sand, and we'll find that out as we go how it's going to be. But yeah, I don't want to stain it. I think we just want to put polyurethane on it, or just like a clear coat epoxy. We'll cross that bridge when we come. But so this will be like part one of this. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm going to be filming the whole time. So let's clean this stuff up. Just using like a little piece of plastic. Yeah, there's spider webs galore in here. We don't want to sand it too much. We just want to clean it. And it's just going to give us a nice clean. Nice clean look. I just use like a little 2x4 cut, and that's what I use for my paper, my sandpaper. I have a fancy one, but it's like rubber and it locks it, but just doing the 2x4 block is easier in my opinion to grip. We're just gonna clean this up. Not too much sanding. Do that too much. I always want to go with the grain. I mean, mean, this thing is just massive. I bet you I could just get on top of it. It should hold. Ugh. I mean, look at this thing. It's just huge. One in there. So I got to get out these little spider webs. There's all sorts of crud in here, and if you do barn doors, you're gonna get this. You're gonna get spider webs and all sorts of crud in the cracks and crevices, but you want to leave those cracks and crevices not too clean looking. You want them to look chipped and old, but you want to get the crud out too. So I think what we'll do is we're gonna grab the air compressor here in a minute. Let me get over to this side. And then we're gonna blow off what we've already sanded and clean out these little edges, and we're gonna see what's going on with this thing. I might take this one off because that's not old and rusty, but I think I'll leave like this handle and stuff like that. I don't want to get too close to the edge because I don't want this thing to tip on me. All right, let's scrape this out. Wow. This is going to take quite a bit of work, but I've been wanting to do this for years, this door. Use the edge, bring this out. There. That's not bad. I'm excited to see what we reveal here shortly. We'll get the pneumatic air out. Yeah. And I'm only working on just this section. I still got to do the one I'm sitting on, so it's quite a ways to go. Okay. Let's finish off this, and then we'll go get our air and blow it off. So the compressor won't start with my solar battery, so we're gonna use this. We're just gonna clean this off, just like this. All that dust off. There. Just a little bit. Wow. I mean, this looks awesome. Wow, it feels good too. It's smooth. Yeah, I definitely need to get the air compressor going, but that's a project for a different day. But yeah, this looks awesome. You can, I don't know if you can see the difference between this one and this one. This one's obviously super dirty. Let me grab the camera. So as you can see, it's just absolutely beautiful. I mean, everything. And then this side I still have to do yet. It's really dirty, but I think I want to leave some stuff like this on there. You know, like I did a coffee table bar, like an old man door, and I left like the things like this on it. I want to leave this on it, even though that looks newer. These hinges, I definitely want to leave these hinges on it. Are really cool. And I'll polyurethane these too. I mean, just look at that. That's so cool. This underside is even better. We'll get to that later, but yeah. This will make an awesome table or something. We're gonna find something. But I'm gonna continue sanding on this. And this will be part 1 of this, just cleaning it up, but it looks amazing. This, I think, is gonna turn out really cool. Like once I get this all shiny looking, you'll be able to see through it. Oh, and these are like the cracks and crevices. Once they are polished and looking nice with polyurethane, oh, it's gonna pop. It's gonna look really nice. I don't know. As far as the lock over here, I mean, look at this. I might leave even like this little edge here, you know, just to give it a nice look. I mean, that's just incredible detail. I love it. I love this door. But I think I'll take this off because that just looks too new. You know, that looks new also, that one. But this one just looks too new, you know, so we'll take that off. Yeah, you can tell the difference for sure. But this side is the dirty side, this side's the clean side. But enough messing around. Yeah, so if you like this video and you want to watch me finish this table, this is part 1 of this series. I'm gonna try to do it as much as I can. It's quite a big project, but we'll get it done. I'm gonna continue working on it, but if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe to Homestead Weekly.